JapanesePage.com's beginning Japanese phrases.
This week's word is
すごく
very, really, extremely. Repeat after the speaker.
すごくすごくすごく
You may recognize this as a form of
すごい
which means cool or great,
すごく
is the adverbial form which is used before adjectives. It emphasizes the adjective. Very, really, extremely, immensely, awfully, etc. Example sentence.
日本語がすごくうまくなりました。
Your Japanese has really improved.
日本語がすごくうまくなりました。日本語がすごくうまくなりました。
Do you remember what
すごく
means? Very, really, extremely. Now, let's break this sentence down.
日本語が
Japanese language,
すごく
very,
うまくなりました。
better, became.
日本語がすごくうまくなりました。
Note, the topic is missing in the sentence, so it could just as easily mean, my Japanese has greatly improved. But in all likelihood, you are probably complimenting someone else.
日本語がすごくうまくなりました。日本語がすごくうまくなりました。
それじゃあまたね。